In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to create AI Pixar-style animated shorts with perfect lip sync using just a single prompt. That looks something like this.
Oh, it's raining! Where's my umbrella, Nick?
You should have brought your own. I'm taller. I need more coverage.
But we can split it evenly. Give it to me. I need it to stay dry.
No, this umbrella is mine.
There's this YouTube channel that's pulling in thousands of views, making around $15,000 every single month. Another creator gained almost 500,000 views with just 42 shorts. But the problem is, most people have no idea how to actually make these shorts. They just end up spending hours on creating an engaging script, wasting credits on multiple AI tools, editing for hours, and still not being able to create consistent characters. But today, I'll show you exactly how I did this in just 5 minutes by simply chatting with an AI. The best part is, you don't even have to create any scenes, images, or videos manually. The AI tool I'm about to show you does everything in just one click. So if you're serious about jumping into this untapped niche, make sure you stick around till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's dive in. Alright, the most important part is coming up with a solid video idea. See, these viral cartoon animation shorts have a formula. They focus on parodies, funny lip-sync dialogue with natural expressions, and realistic animation. That's what generates millions of views. So for this, we are going to use Claude AI. And to make this super easy for you, I've created a master prompt that generates viral-ready video ideas in seconds. You can get it for free later from the video's description. For now, watch this. I just paste the prompt into Claude, hit enter, and within seconds, we've got 10 engaging video ideas based on famous styles like Zootopia, Lego, Toy Story, and more. Each one is specifically designed for short-form content. And here's the best part. If you're not satisfied with any of these ideas, just click Regenerate on the same prompt, and you'll have 10 completely new ideas in seconds. Now here's where things get interesting. Technically, you could create these videos manually using multiple AI tools and hours of editing. And after all that, well, let me just say that it looks shit, as those free AI tools aren't capable of generating such high-quality visuals. And that's exactly why most people give up. But the tool that solved all of these problems is Clone Viral. This tool lets you make videos by simply talking to AI, like literally chatting with a creative partner who knows every tool and handles all the technical stuff for you. It's packed with all the top AI video and image models, allowing you to access everything from one place. So once you sign up using my link in the description, your dashboard will look something like this. But before moving forward, if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I share new AI tools, trending niches, and faceless channel strategies every week. Alright, inside the dashboard, head to the Agents section. This is where you can generate high-quality videos without complex prompting. As you can see, there are several AI agents, each specializing in different types of videos and expertise. Right below, you'll see some built-in viral templates like abandoned movie sets and animated horror stories. But today, let's make a video from scratch. Simply paste in one of the video idea we generated with Claude, then choose an AI agent. For this particular niche, the Marcus agent is perfect. Now you have two options here. You can choose Auto if you want the AI to handle everything automatically, or you can use Step Mode if you want more creative control over each decision. For now, I'm going with Auto Mode. Now the tool will automatically select the best AI models during the generation process. It's already smart enough to know which models work best for each task. But if you're picky like me, you can manually select your preferred models from here. So once everything is set, we just hit Start. And now we're brought to this new workspace. On the left, you can see the video's live progress, and on the right is the canvas where all your generations will appear. Just make sure this Auto Collaborate option is enabled, as this allows multiple AI agents to work together when needed. Now that I've selected Auto Mode, I don't have to give it commands repeatedly. I can literally just sit back and watch. And this is where my mind genuinely blew up. The tool has automatically broken down my simple idea into a complete production roadmap with multiple tasks. It's outlining the step-by-step process, and it's even showing me the estimated credit cost for the entire project. And here's something cool. Even though it's working in Auto Mode, the control is always in my hands. I can switch to Step Mode at any point to make creative changes. Alright, watch what happens next. The agent has now generated a detailed script with multiple scenes. Look at this. Each scene includes the visual prompt, a description of what's happening, the dialogue, and even the overall mood. This single process would have taken hours, but now it's done in just minutes. Now this is even more exciting. It takes that script and generates character images that exactly match the scenes and visuals described. This is where character consistency is locked in. Just like that, the video creation process continues seamlessly, moving from idea to visuals automatically. Now you can see that it's generating an image for scene 1. You can track the progress here and see each visual being generated on the canvas. The tool will now start animating the first scene automatically. And again, I don't have to do anything. It's handling the visual prompts, animation, and lip sync on its own. Also, if the execution gets stuck or interrupted for any reason, you can just type continue in the chat or use this rollback option to restart a specific task. As you can see, the first scene is ready. Let's take a look.
All right, 15th floor is where we have to go.
Yeah.
The characters' lips are perfectly synced to the dialogue, and the quality is honestly insane for something that was generated in minutes. Now that the second scene frame is ready, it's moving on to animating it using the same automated process. So I'll just skip ahead. And as you can see, it's ready. Let's see how this one turned out.
What was that? Nick, do something.
Bro, this actually looks insane. The AI will continue this process until all of the images and videos have been generated. Now here's where I was shocked. Once all of your scenes have been animated, it begins to generate matching background music using Suno AI. And even after that is completed, the AI does not simply put all of those generations in a folder for you to edit. It starts merging the audio and scenes into a seamless video. To be honest, this feels slightly weird because this is literally my first video where I have absolutely nothing to do. The AI is handling every single step. And with that, the video is ready. You can download all of your generations like videos and audio directly from the canvas. Here's how the final result looks.
All right, 15th floor is where we have to go.
Yeah.
What was that? Dispatch, this is Judy. We're stuck in an elevator. Hello?
Relax, Carrots. Maybe they'll find us in a few years? I'm just kidding. Actually, we could escape through the emergency hatch. Judy! You are so heavy!
Careful, don't leave my hand.
Say less, or I will definitely leave. See? It worked out, I told you.
Ha, it was me who pulled you up.
And that's how easy it is to create Pixar-style animated lip-sync stories using just a single prompt. Every step, from script creation to generating images, creating animations, and finally merging everything into the final video, is fully automated. The process for creating cartoon animation content has never been this easy. Channels are already earning thousands of dollars per month. You can try clone Viral AI yourself using the link in the description. I'll be making more such videos on untapped AI niches. So if you want to stay ahead, make sure to like and subscribe to AI Upskill. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.